How to fix the Windows Store? Well, welcome to my channel. This time we are going to fix the most common error in the Windows Store. And to do that, I'm going to show you the example or the error I get. I go to my Windows Store, and if we open the app, you'll see that it can be used. Nothing appears. And for those people who get this error 0x80131500, this tutorial will also be useful. Let's fix this error so we can use the Windows Store. To do this, we need two things. First, open the Run window in Windows. To do that, type Windows R. This window should appear. In Run, we are going to type the following. We type regedit. After typing it, click Accept. If this warning appears, click OK, and this window will appear. In this window, we need to enter a value in nation. If it doesn't appear directly in this window, you can go to Current User, then Control Panel, then International. And finally, here where it says GEO. Here's what we need to do. As I say, enter a value, the value for our country. To do this, we are going to do the following. We are going to open a Google tab and search for Table of Geographic Locations. The result we are looking for is on the Microsoft website. Go to the result and you'll see a number for each country. Find the number for the country you're in. In my case, since I'm in Colombia, I look for the number for Colombia. I found it. Here it is, Colombia. And in my case, it will be number 51. Now that we have the number that identifies the country, we proceed to write it in nation. Double click, type the country code, click accept, and we can close everything. Now we need to restart the Microsoft Store or simply close it. I'm going to click here where it says restart. And if you follow the step correctly, the store should work. If I close the store and open it again, it should work correctly.